Hi everyone and welcome to the family cook-off. I've got my mum to come and help me because there's a lot of chopping to do. So let's get started. We've set out all of our ingredients just so it's easy when we get started. The first thing to get started is to chop all your vegetables. Within the bag of ingredients you can choose what you want to put in. We're starting with the onions first. While the others are chopping the onions, I'm going to weigh up the pasta. We're doing 225 grams for 4 people. So you've chopped the onions, you can chop up your mushrooms.
Big or small, I'm making out massive chunks. Next up, courgettes. We have washed all our fruit and veg before we are chopping it.
And this is why you need 2 people because there's a lot of chopping to do.
Can't see Ruby doing much chopping, it's just me.
So now I'm going to boil the kettle for the pasta and Mom is going to chop the garlic.
I get all the best jobs. With the garlic, just peel off the outer layers. Don't know if you can see that. And then just chop it up very small. You don't have to put garlic in if you don't like it. But not only do I like fruit and veg, I also really like garlic.
With all the veg we've done so far, I've put the pasta on to boil for 10 minutes. After that is all to boil, Mum is going to fry the vegetable in the wok or frying pan, whatever you have. Start with adding oil.
Oil added. I'm putting in my garlic first. To my oil in a moment. When the oil gets hot, usually. Well, take your heart out, mate. It wasn't quite that hot. Ah well, you can't have anything. Adding my peppers and my courgettes. To be honest with you, my wok is looking pretty full there.
While Mum's busy frying up the veg, I'm going to grate the cheese for the top. We've cooked some meatballs to go with our pasta bake, but you can put anything you like in it, like chicken, beef, lamb, whatever you fancy you can put in it. Or if you fancied, you can just have plain cheese, but whatever meat you put in, make sure you cook it first. So you can just add your cheese on when it goes in the oven. Now that we've finally opened the tomato sauce, in it goes. This is what it looked like when it's cooking down. Strain off your pasta once it's cooked. Add it to your vegetables.
Which are going crazy in the pan there.
We're adding meatballs next. Do you want me to take the bowl off you?
That would be helpful.
The baked dish.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe not make as much mess as Mum has done. Using a spoon may be a better idea, as you can see.
It's been a bit of an explosion in the kitchen. Move my shower around and put the oven on to 190 degrees, at least I hope that, and in it goes.
Pop in your oven for 10 to 20 minutes.
Ta-da! Is our pasta ready? Hot.
Now we're going to add the sauce to our vegetables. Do you want some help there?
Oh, come on, open that.
Do you need some help?
Absolutely. Absolutely, I need some help. Cheese scoop.